Morning. It's hiking day.
Woohoo!
With Angie.
Woohoo!
Dogs are staying home. Actually, Coda doesn't feel all that good.
No, Coda's
Under the weather.
yes.
Poor buddy. You know what we should do before we go? Cake.
No.
What?
No cake. That's for when we get home.
What, shouldn't we have cake first so we can burn the cake off? Okay.
It'll make you feel crappy and slothfully while you're up there.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so we have coffee. We're going to be out the door. We're actually
I don't
running
know if
late.
it'll make you feel crappy and slothy, but you bought that.
Wow.
Should we have cake?
Yeah, let's have cake.
It's already pre-cut.
You pre-cut the cake. I think there's some other little tiny pieces missing out of it too.
No.
Wow, we need to know. We need to get rid of this so that it's not a temptation anymore. Alright guys, we are slightly descending to the trailhead. This is, where are we at? What
You've
trail?
arrived.
Oh, thank you. We have arrived.
Twin Falls, I think it was.
Oh yes, yes. Twin Falls. Ooh, ooh. Let's park here.
Ooh, ooh.
This just looks like a good spot right here. Look at all those trees. Today's trail is pretty easy peasy. 3.6 miles, 967 feet in elevation, or 5.8 kilometers, 295 meters in elevation. But there's like twin waterfalls, and because Angie saw an awesome video on YouTube yesterday, we know a secret on where to get good footage and like get like right at the falls.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We'll see what happens. A moss head. That's my superpower.
What does it do?
I don't know. It covers trees to keep them warm in the wintertime.
Oh. And you too? Do you want me to take that moss off your head?
Oh, thank you. Thank you for taking my moss off my head.
Okay to fall off this side.
Oh.
Don't fall off of this side.
Okay. Important safety tip. Thank you. Here's a face. Do you guys see it? Angie and I thought we saw the same face and we didn't. Show them the face that you saw. Mouth, lip, nose, eye,
caveman brow.
Caveman brow. Okay, now bring it over here. And I was like mouth, nose, eyes. Do you see it?
No.
See it. Never mind.
Well, no,
There's two faces there.
I do, but not as
Okay. All right.
prominent.
And we were just talking that it takes us like forever to go on some of these hikes because we sit back and we look at the forest, the canopy, the moss, the streams, the foliage, the mushrooms, the rocks, the root formations. Not these, but some of them get pretty intricate, and other people just like, no.
Most people fly right past us.
Yeah, that's not because we can't, it's just because take it in. I mean, you're out here. Take it in. think that is the biggest tree that we've ever seen on a hike. That has got to be the biggest tree. In case you didn't know.
What?
Oh, I'm talking to them. Go ahead. Don't mind us. We're just going to talk about you. When we started going on hikes, I noticed that she would walk up to a tree and she would just put her hand on the tree. And it's kind of like you're sucking the energy from it. No, it's really cool. It is cool to be just like that. I mean, think about it. Think about the age of the tree. Think about everything this tree has seen, if trees could see. That's crazy. That's a huge freaking tree. Can you guys hear it? Can you? Wow. Do you want to see it? Am I teasing you right now? Na, 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 na. Okay, I'll let you see it. I gotta hold on to you guys. This is like, wow, I don't want to drop you. Holy cow. Wow. I was telling Angie that I totally need to get like something for the GoPro so I can hold on to it, because this right here just freaks me out being this close to the edge and dropping the camera. I don't mind being this close to the edge, but whew. This is why they call it Twin Falls. There's a falls underneath us, right? Yeah. Holy cow! Whoa! Okay, so the first falls that we just got through seeing is right there. We were just down there. And now we're up here to the other falls. And pretty soon, I think we're going to try and travel to that little private lagoon over there, because we know something most hikers don't know. It's a day of waterfalls. Waterfalls! It's almost time for the secret trail. We're gonna wait so nobody else sees us. There's a lot of people here today. Okay, the coast is clear. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Come on. Here, this way. Okay, we've made it down to the river. Are you unclogging things? Oh, look at you. Aw, you're so nice. So, okay guys, here is your last underwater footage of the day. And now you're going into the water. I've got a tight grip on you. She says she's not gonna fall on her ass. She says she's gonna fall on her ass.
If I sit on my ass, then I'm not falling.
If you sit on your ass, then we're not hiking anymore.
Oh.
That's why we're hiking, is to get off our ass.
Ha! I did not fall.
We ain't done yet. Made it. The trailhead is over there. We just got back. Look at this parking lot. They are parked all the way up the street. It got busy. I'm glad we got here when we did.
Idea of fun. Let's get out of here. There's too many humans.
Yeah, like you said, let's get out of here before. Uh-oh, where's my keys? They are in my pocket. Oh, I got you guys, didn't I? I got you again.
I don't think you fooled any of us.
Well, let's get out. No, because I would have titled the vlog "Lost My Keys" or something like that. I would have given it away. But let's get out of here before somebody sees us like entering the car and it's like, ooh.
I want their spot.
Yeah, and then they start waiting on you. There's a lot of people. So anyway, we have transitioned to Snoqualmie Falls. Kind of a, not a hike.
It's a stroll.
That's a stroll, a quick jaunt. But we are going to hike too, so we're going to...
dirty.
Yeah, we're not as clean as everybody around us, but whatever. So anyway, we're gonna take a look at the falls first, and then we're gonna head down to the falls. And unfortunately, we can't get, well, the falls that we just saw, those are gonna be closer. We got closer to those, and we will be able to get to this one. But these falls are right over here. They're right there.
Well, that was.
I know. That's such a long walk.
Is your GPS still telling you to go places?
Yes, it probably is. All right, we've seen it. Let's go.
All right.
Yeah, I just told Angie that right now we're totally getting like misted upon, but it's not raining. It's just all coming off of falls. It's pretty incredible. Should I pretend to propose to you again?
No.
So, hold on, little known fact. This is one of the areas, one of the places that I was going to propose to her at.
Oh, is it?
This is where I was going to try and get the flash mob of the thriller dancers.
Oh my god.
Wouldn't that be awesome? And then I had the fear of accidentally dropping the ring and having it like plummet over the falls. That would be bad. Here's a different vantage point, and now we are going to walk down to right about here, down below. Please do not feed the animals, including Bigfoot. And Troy boys, apparently you can't feed me either, because I am an animal.
No, you're the Bigfoot.
Oh, am I? Am I a little foot? I am a little foot. Oh.
You're a little foot?
We're both Littlefoot. The cartoon, Littlefoot, or the movie.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, you gotta see it. I've seen something you haven't.
You just watched it without me.
Sorry. Do not climb on historical artifacts.
Ah, damn it.
This is one of the... Are we doing the whole Scooby-Doo thing? In one door and out the other? And... That is one of the old tubes that used to be here before they rebuilt them. These have like hundreds of thousands, I don't know for sure, but hundreds of thousands of gallons of water going down. A lot. Yes.
Space.
Lot. Yes.
A lot.
Not an allotment. Anyway, hydroelectric power. It's all created right there. Puget Sound Energy. Big old turbines going. You can hear them.
What
hear
do
them?
they do?
So there you go. That's as close as we can get. Sometimes on a trail, you'll notice something in one direction that you don't notice on the way back, or you'll notice something on the way back that you don't notice in this direction. Now you see the sign above me that tells you strictly stay on the boardwalk because the river channel is subject to sudden and extreme water level changes. However, if you look down on the side of the building here, it says danger, keep back 100 feet from building. I'm so confused as what to do right now. I can't be here, I can't be down there. Railfan Jason, this is just for you. Well, I mean, and anybody else that's interested. There's a bunch of old trains. Choo-choo, choo-choo-choo-choo. It is a train graveyard, old steam engines and amazing stuff right there. It's too bad they're just letting them sit there and rot though. That's a shame. We've made it home.
And done pretty much nothing else.
Well, we took a nap, but taking a nap here is better than taking a nap on the road, which I really wanted to do on the way home, but there's a little thing about driving and sleeping, not exactly the best practice to be in, right?
No.
Yeah.
So we slept on the couch.
So, I will do COC for tonight, tomorrow, and well, actually, and we might do a one take tomorrow. It depends on how things go. But Angie's going back, and we'll see her in 2 weeks, and we'll see Phoenix next week. And breathe in. Time for autopilot. Say bye. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Happy haunting.